Welcome to the Jalking App Kit, brought to you by the Artificially Intelligent Matchmaker. This kit can be used in any app. Here's a demonstration. First, you'll notice the user asks a question and the app responds.
What is your favorite phone?
Can we skip this?
Sure, let's skip it.
The app responded, then continued what it was talking about. It handled an interruption. That's pretty cool, right?
We've all been through a couple relationships.
Good question.
You can sense my sarcasm. Thank you. You can sense my sarcasm. For the
I
relationships
have a question.
that you've had. Yes, go ahead and ask me.
How long
if
does
you
this
must.
take?
Well, actually, this could take a while.
You'll notice the user can speak over the app anytime, cutting it off, interrupting it, and allowing for natural back and forth quibbles. Just like a real human conversation.
You'll be playing games with me for
Never
a
mind.
while. But even anything else?
No thanks.
Okie doke. Alrighty. Where was I? We've
Can we
all
skip
been
this
through a couple
question?
Sure.
Finally, the creator interrupts the app one more time to skip to the final question. This all occurred quickly offline and can be used to navigate your app. Imagine booking a hotel room this way, or diagnosing a patient by asking them simple questions like a physician would, gathering their symptoms. Our kit page will show you the code used to create this demonstration. We are very excited to see what you will do with this.